Good morning, Standard 3. Children, today we are going to start our third chapter. Let's type in Word 2010. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about a new software, MS Word. MS Word, MS stands for Microsoft. Microsoft Word. Okay. So, Microsoft, it's a company, software making company. In last chapter I taught you about this Microsoft company. It's a company which has developed operating system, Windows operating system, and this company has developed software package MS Office. Okay, Microsoft Office. So in this Microsoft Office package, there is one software named Microsoft Word. And the screen which you are seeing, no, this screen is of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word window. Okay. So now today we are going to talk about this Microsoft Word software. Okay, how to work on this software, how to start it, how to make documents in this software. So all these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay. Now, you see, children, MS Word is also called word processing software. Here it is written in your book. Word processor. Word processing program, isn't it? A word processor is a program that helps to create text document on a computer. Okay. So MS Word is a word processor software. Clear? Why is it called word processor software? Because in this software we create document, text document. Text documents means where we type words. Documents where we type words. Okay. Document can be a letter, it can be a book, it can be your essay. Okay, these are documents. So in this document we type words. Okay. So this software, MS Word software, it helps to type words first of all. Second, it helps us to make changes over the word. Okay. Make changes. Changes means its style, word typing style, its color, its size. Okay. In different effects we can show words. Okay. That is why its name is word processing software. Understood? Because here we process words. Every word can be processed. Style can be changed, color can be changed, size can be changed. Okay. And different effects can be put behind the words. Okay. So that is why its name is given. MS Word is a word processor software. Okay. So we can create documents in the MS Word software. Okay. Changes can be made. Okay. You can make copy of the word. You can move word from one place to another. You can save your document. You can add and delete words. You can insert pictures. You can insert shapes. Okay. Different artwork can be put in the document. Okay, that is why its name is given word processor. Clear? So the first successful word processing software, which was launched in 1979, its name is WordStar. It is given in pop-up menu. Pop-up. It is given in the pop-up box of page number 35. Page number 35. Here you can see. The first successful word processing software was WordStar, launched by MicroPro International in 1979. So this is your first word processing software, WordStar. But now the popular word processing software is MS Word. So we will see MS Word software window in front of you. this is MS Word window. Okay. Now one by one we will see its different parts. So first one is its title bar. Okay. Top of the window, it's showing title bar, Microsoft Word, software name, and golden X3. This is document name. Okay. So title bar shows document name with software name. Okay. Here you can see quick access toolbar. This one, save button, undo button, and redo button. Okay. More buttons can be added here in quick access toolbar, but at present 3 buttons are there: save, undo, and redo. This is quick access toolbar. Okay. This toolbar used to frequently use commands. Okay. If you want to apply commands frequently, means quickly, so quick access toolbar can be used. Okay. I don't have file tab, I have office button here. Okay. In your book it is given file tab. Then different files are there: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. These are tabs, and below the tabs there are groups. Okay. First one is clipboard group. Okay. These are commands: format, painter, command cut, copy, paste command are part of clipboard group. This is now font group, where you can see bold, italic, underline buttons are there, font color button. Now paragraph group, here is the paragraph group. Different alignment buttons are there, different buttons are there. Okay, this is styles group. Okay, and last one is editing group: find, replace, select command. Okay, so this is ribbon. Together it is called ribbon. Tab and groups together are called ribbon. Okay, this is document area where we type. Okay, here we do typing. So this is called document area, and this blinking line, it is called cursor. You are already knowing this. And at the bottom of this window there is a status bar. Okay, here you can see page 1 of 1, number of words 57. I hope you can see this. Language English. Okay, this is status bar. This is called status bar. Okay. This is the window. Status bar shows status of the document which you are working upon. No, so its a status means on which page number are we typing, how many words have we typed. Okay, so this type of information we get through status bar. Clear? So title bar shows document name and application name. Application names means program name, software name. And right side of this title bar there are 3 buttons: close button, maximize button, and minimize button. I hope you can see this. Okay, close button, minimize button, and restore button. These are parts of MS Word window. Okay, components of MS Word window. This we have done. Okay, now next topic is creating a new document.